Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Nintendo Switch error code 21230209. The error reads, "The connection to the server was lost. Please try again later." As per our research, this error comes when users try to access the Nintendo eShop or perform any network-related activity. Many users have reported that even after not using the Switch for a while, the error keeps appearing every time they open the eShop. According to our findings, the error seems to be network-related. It may happen due to unstable connections, DNS issues, or interference from surrounding devices. So, we first suggest you restart your Nintendo Switch console. Simply hold down the power button for 3 seconds, then select Power Options followed by Restart. If the console is unresponsive, hold the power button for 12 seconds to force it to shut down, then turn it back on. If you still have the error, then next, power cycle your home network and check for the error. If the error still comes, then try entering an alternate DNS manually and check if this resolves the error. If your router supports it, try connecting to a different wireless band. Set up a new internet connection on your Switch and connect to the band, 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz, that you're not currently using, and see if this resolves the error. At last, if the error still comes, try connecting your Nintendo Switch to a different network such as a mobile hotspot or a friend's Wi-Fi. This can help confirm if the issue is related to your current network. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.